Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable timesheet approval in Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, gotta go to the top right, click on the gear icon that says setup. Click on it. Once done, go to the left panel and click on portal configuration. Okay. All right, as you can see here in the left panel as well, we have tasks and timesheet. Click on it. Now, once done, go to the top right. We have here this tab that says time log and timesheet approval. So just click on it. And by default, right here, we have the time log approval. It is enabled. If it's not, just click on enable and update right here. Okay. And as you can see, we have approval based on, is it time logs or timesheet? Okay. As the title suggests, we'll leave this one to a timesheet. The fallback approver, is it auto approve or by profile or by user or by portal owner? Okay. Allow approver to edit time logs. Yes or no? Yes, just to turn the slider on. No, turn it off. Okay. Recurring approver action. Approve once or approve every time. Auto approve levels when creator is the approver. For example, you are the approver and you have created your own timesheet. Okay. Is it auto approved or no? Well, I'm just going to go, I'll leave it to yes right here. And if you want to, you can notify current approver. Okay. If there are timesheets that needs approval, the approver will be notified. Okay. Notify approvers on recalling timesheets. Notify previous approver on approval or rejection. Okay. And once you're happy with your settings, just click on update right here and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.